Wajan Hokirach Hadri. Heini Waduchra Wajan Rustak. Eske Rice cup and sausage gravy. Anangare Nagashige Maihate Woduch, Heini Woduch, cornflakes, Shige Ego Waja Hijaja Hadri. Jagon Kita.
我让
Okidara.
Rohan Kirach Haj Vishanu. Hojishana we go zerenka Haini Wodu Cha E Hida. Ishkejeske, Waran Reske Haj Vishanu. Egi Widaro
Close the door, Hina.
Wajana Hokirach Goiship Wani Haj Vishanu. Nonenge Keham Te Jaguduj Nagre. Wajan Reske Wagani na Cha Haj Wianaga Wichawak. Rab, Wake, Washing, Zeke. Eu gosto de arranjar esse hard vision aqui. Do gosto do hard vision.
Aqui, dega nikhon aqui, chedap Rajwis
Que é esse canegoneare? Cores que não ninguém que apenas nem. Reis que era, foram reis que era o aqui cononi. Ejachin chara e haipimoniare. Não ninguém hijane nanka azire shono irasa.
Mahich Naga Kukushe Nipane Hishke Haipi.
So what is your favorite meal to cook?
What's a whole Kirara Haipi? Nonike Mahinch Naga Kukushe Nipana Naga Wadusku Cha Nipana She YP Jagon Kira
Alhusak, Jaguruch Naipi, or I'm sorry, what do you like to cook?
Ishke horohana nipana du chawa anje. Hirai chera what egin kire goni yare. Egi reis ke rujra hai pinwa de nonike huningre AYP huning nipana. Egi guangaira ke do khoranaga re da khere wa hawa anje do da khere koi ship hai piane head egon eske wow nakshana hamte. I just said I peel potatoes and fry potatoes sometimes. I've always liked them and I'm still like that today. So I fry potatoes for myself once in a while.
Mm-hmm. Do you put shingob in there?
If I have it on hand, the important thing is to fry it in bacon grease.
Oh, okay.
And what is that dukhuro? Is that to peel?
I peel.
Yeah.
I peel? Okay.
Do choro is I peel potatoes.
Okay.
Shuru Khoro.
Okay.
Dora wa shuru Khoro na means can you peel the potatoes?
Okay.
Frying it in bacon grease?
Yeah, like fry it in bacon grease, like you're telling everybody.
I guess I would just say kuishe hamachara wakini ya wanaga do dakhere ha wanje.
Okay, so is there any other words in Ho Chunk to use for cooking? Or go with Higuzerain?
Waruch hikishere, I would say. Waruch yakishere. I am going to be working with food.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
waruch
All right, Dega Ahusak. Any other Ho Chunk words to use for cooking?
Well, for boiling, it's just here.
Chere.
Frying is da here.
Mhm.
Baking, I think is hodas ahi. And then when they used to make cowboy bread by the fireplace, they used this waiskap hadachi.
Mhm.
That's when you tilt the frying pan up and have the bread facing the fire and cook it like that.
Okay.
Also, dasunuhi.
Yeah, that barbecue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
We didn't do too much. We didn't do too much of that in my younger days.
Mhm.
We didn't have Weber grills back then. I think da sunu is more of a modern term for the way people grill out now, or call it barbecue, whatever you want to call it.
okay.
It's more of a grilling term, I think.
Mhm. Mhm.
And also hodahihi,
Smoke.
smokes.
Yeah,
Duchi to cook. Waruch is just to make food.
Mhm.
And then hiroshahi is what would you define that as?
getting it ready.
Cooking in the ground.
Mawo, huh? Is that what they said?
I believe that's the term I know.
Mhm.
I don't know of them calling it something else.
What'd you say for baking? Hoda,
Hodas
hodas.
Toast.
Isn't there also like
So
roking?
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there a difference of when you would use those two words?
When you're making biscuits, roki, function.
Okay.
Yeah,
When you're
maybe it's
making
more
bread?
maybe it's more of a reference to bread, that little key.
Okay. So if you were gonna roast a turkey, you would use the hodas ahi.
Yeah.
Can you help me cook? We guzering?
Waruch ona hinagiji shere na.
I have to cook dinner.
Hochjana woruch haonkcheske
Okay.
or duchakcheske.
Thank you for cooking.
Waruch ona hinagiji shere na. What anapshana?
Okay. Awasak, would you say it another way?
Waruch ona waininginamshana or waruch ona waininginamshana.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, they're both good. One.
Mhm.
Okay. Job. Jagawishina, can I help you cook? We guzering?
Oh, waruch ona nigiji dena.
Okay. Awasak, is there another way you can say it?
No, I think she pretty much nailed it.
Okay. Alrighty. Naga Sacha, how would you say thank you for helping me cook?
Waruch una hinagiji sherera waininginamshana.
Yeah.
Alrighty.